Hi Kendra, how are you doing today?
Hi, I'm doing okay. How are you?
I'm doing good. Thank you for asking. What have you been up to this week?
I'm trying to stay inside. It's been really hot out here. Trying to watch new shows and trying to find something to do.
Good. What kind of shows have you been watching?
I've been watching Georgia, Ginny and Georgia with my
Oh, okay.
foster sister.
Good. Good. I'm glad that you guys have something that you can do together. It's awesome. I wanted to follow up from last week. We talked a lot about coping skills and kind of setting a schedule for yourself. And so I wanted to ask, to just kind of get an idea. What would you, on a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate your depression today?
I read it. Is 10 high or low?
Yeah, 10 would be like the worst.
Oh, okay. Um, I think right now I feel really good. I feel like maybe a three or a two.
Good. That's awesome. I'm so happy to hear that. Um, and what would you say is something that has helped bring it down like the most, maybe this week?
I think just utilizing the coping skills that you helped me come up with. I think I was set on not really knowing I mean, I knew why I was feeling like this, but I didn't know how to manage my emotions and I wasn't sure how to know when I was
Mhm.
becoming depressed. I kind of just shut down and I didn't think much of it. But you
Mhm.
helped me realize that when I am starting to feel sad, I have to try my best to get myself out there and spend time with my foster parents and just not let myself go down that path. So I think
Yeah, and doing like the opposite action um is really helpful. Um, which coping skill would you say is your favorite?
my favorite was just being more open and trying to work on my relationship with my foster family. I am living there, so I feel like that is the best way to start. Opening myself more to them and just talking to them more.
Good. That's so awesome. I'm so proud of you. You've been able to really use therapy to your advantage and be able to kind of realize, okay, this is what I'm feeling and this is what helps me and this is what makes it worse, which is that, I mean, that is a huge skill to be able to use, and you're going to be able to use that for the rest of your life. So it's so awesome that you've been able to develop that. Um, going forward with therapy, what would you say some other things are that you want to work on? Do you feel really confident enough to maybe stop sessions for a while, maybe do once a month instead?
I think that sounds a little nerve-wracking thinking about it because I'm so
Mhm.
used to having these sessions and I really look forward to them.
Okay.
I feel like I learned so much, but I am in a great space right now, and I feel like maybe we could try going to once a month, and then we can go from there and see. But I feel ready for that step.
Good, awesome. Okay, so let's actually just try, since we have been doing once a week, let's do once every other week. And then maybe reassess in a couple months, and then maybe we can move down to once a month. But I still definitely would like to work on learning more coping skills with you because there's a lot of different ones, and we can also talk about um, some distress tolerance things as well if you are interested in that. And then I know that going back into school is going to be a little bit more stressful as well. So you're on summer right now, there's a little bit less stress. So we can kind of just kind of play it by ear and see how it goes. But I just want to let you know, like, I'm so proud of you and so proud of the progress that you have made already. We haven't even been meeting that long. And it really just shows to your taking initiative in this process. And it's really awesome to see. It's really awesome to see how much you've grown.
Thank you. That's really empowering to hear, and I really appreciate those kind words.
Yeah, no problem. Okay, was there anything else that you wanted to discuss today?
No, not that I can think of right now.
Okay. All right. Well, so then I will see you in 2 weeks.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you.
Thank you.